Hello, you beautiful soul. Welcome to another meditation. One for confidence and nervous system calming. For the next 5 minutes, you don't need to become anything. You just need to arrive as you are. Bring your awareness into your body. Feel the weight of yourself where you're sitting or lying down. Notice the contact points beneath you. Let gravity do the work. You don't have to hold yourself up anymore. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. With every exhale, sink deeper into support. Begin breathing in through your nose for a count of 4, 2, 3, 4, and out through your mouth for a count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let the exhale always be longer than the inhale. This tells your body it is safe. Again, slow inhale, long, steady exhale. Imagine a calm, steady presence within your chest. Not loud, not forceful, just solid. Like a deep mountain that never rushes. With every inhale, feel that steadiness grow. With every exhale, feel doubt and tension fall away. Nothing to chase. Nothing to prove, just grounded presence. Now gently repeat these words inside of your mind. I trust myself. I move at my own pace. I am becoming stronger and calmer every day. Let these words land without forcing any belief. Your nervous system is listening, even when your mind is quiet. Your nervous system is calming by just listening to me, listening to these words. Let's go back. Let's begin to feel your fingers, your hands, your shoulders. Take one last deep inhale and a slow, full exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes carry the steadiness with you. Come back to this anytime you want to feel grounded and clear again. And thank you for doing this meditation for yourself. Please like this video, leave a comment, and share this with someone that might need it, and subscribe to the page so you can always stay up to date with more conscious meditations.